Okay. Hello, everybody. How are you?
Hello.
Are you there? Are you listening?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us start our discussion. For today, we will discuss about basic properties of perfect squares or square numbers.
ይሳቅ ዝም በል።
Okay. So the first property that we are going to consider for square numbers is that square numbers are invalid or are non-negatives. So the square numbers are non-negative. So by property, all values of square numbers are non-negative. To consider example, if we take the square of minus 30, so when we calculate the square of minus 30, which is equal to minus 30 times minus 30, so the result will be positive 900. So if you take any rational number and take the square of that rational number, the value will be positive. But here, there is a difference between this expression and this expression. This one is the square of negative 30, but this one is not. So when you calculate this one, you calculate like this one, which is equal to minus of the square of minus of 30 square means 30 times 30. So which is equal to, the value will be negative 900. So this expression and this one, totally, they are different. So this is the first property. Square numbers are all non-negative, invalid. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Second property. Let us take A, which is an element of rational number. Then let A and B. Let us take two rational number A and B, any rational number they are. So A times B square means A square times B square. So this is another basic property. If you consider an example, 2 times 3 square means, which is equal to 2 square times 3 square. So which is equal to 4 times 9, which is equal to 36. Again, you can calculate like this one. 2 times 3 square means 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 square, which is equal to 36. So the property holds true. We can prove the property by counter example like this. Again, A over B square means, which is equal to A square over b squared. So to consider an example for this case, let us take 4 over 5 square, which is equal to 4 square over 5 square, which is equal to 16 over 25. So this is the second basic property. And the third one, before we go to the third one, is there any question on this? The first and second property?
No.
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 Okay. The third property, the units digit of all square numbers are indexed with 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. So when you check out all square numbers, their units digit indexed with 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. You can check it this one. Let us consider example for this case. Let us start from the first, or based on your stochastic, the first square number is 1, but we can start from 0. 0 is a square number. Yes, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, and so on. You can check all the square numbers. If you see the units on these numbers, it indicates 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me give you one exercise, and I'll give you time to do that. Okay. The question is, if 17xy is equal to 22xy minus 5, then what is the value of x squared y squared? Let me give you 5 minutes, try this question, and you will tell me your answer. Are you trying?
Yes.
Yes, mister.
Okay. So what is the value of x square y square? 1. Any other answer?
1.
Okay. Let us do together. So we are a given condition that 17 xy is equal to 22 xy minus 5. Let us start from this given condition. So when we shift this expression to this side, we will have 17 xy minus 22 xy, which is equal to minus 5. So minus 17 xy and 22 xy are like terms, they can be subtracted. So it will be minus 5 xy, which is equal to minus 5. So when we divide both sides of the equation by minus 5 over minus 5, so minus 5 cancel out by minus 5. So what is left? X times y. So negative by negative, by 5 1 by 5 1 is equal to 1. So x times y is equal to 1. So but we are asked what is the value of x square y square. So we take the square of the equation on both sides. So when we square the equation on both sides, we'll get x square is equal to 1 square. So x square y square by the property, it means x square times y square, which is equal to 1 square means 1. So the value of x square times y square is equal to 1. You are right. Okay, so these are the 3 basic properties of a square. You can add by your own. There are so many properties. Now let's back to the worksheet questions. Do you have any question on the worksheet?
ሚስተር ድምፁን በደምብ ጨምሮ አይሰማም።
ኦኬ ወርክሽቱ ላይ ጥያቄዎች አላችሁ? ወርክሽቱ ደርሷችኋል አይደል?
አዎ ሚስተር።
ጥያቄ ያላችሁ ወርክሽቱ ላይ?
አዎ።
ኦኬ let us see that one. ስንተኛው ጥያቄ ነው? ኦኬ ስንተኛው ጥያቄ ነው ጥያቄያችሁ?
የማች የቹዙን አምስተኛውን ሚስተር
ኦኬ
is not a square rational number ይላል ግን
ጥያቄ የሚለው which one of the following is not a square of a rational number ይላል። Yes? So what is the problem on this question?
There is no problem, but they're all rational numbers.
No, the question says which one of the following is not a square of a rational number. If we take A, it is 81. Is that not?
Yes.
So 81 means 9 square.
9 times 9.
9 times 9 or 9 square. So it is a square of a rational number.
Yes.
What about B? B, if we take 225, it is 15 square, 15 times 15. It is a square of a rational number. And C, if we take C, which is 625, which is 25 square, 25 times 25. But D, 160, is it a square number first? Is there any rational number when we multiply that rational number by itself that gives 160?
No.
No, so the answer is this one, D. ገብቷችኋል? Okay, any other question? ሌላ ጥያቄ የላችሁ?
የለንም። የለንም።
Okay. So next time square root እናያለን ለዛሬ በዚህ በቀናል
ماشي
ቻው
ቻው
ኖት የወሰድነው ነው እንዴ በዛ መንቀጥለው
Thank you, Mr. Chow.
ሚስተር ወርክሺት እናስረክባለን
አይ ወርክሺቱን ፕራክቲስ ታደርጉታላችሁ ኤኒ ኩዌሽን ካላችሁ ልክ እንደዚህ ዲስከስ እናደርጋለን
እሺ
Thank you, Mr. Thank you, Chow.
ቴንክ ዩ ሚስተር ቻው ለሁላችሁ መልካም ቀን ይሁንላችሁ
Bro.
Ciao.
Atta Sami
Adios,
online ግባ አታ online ግባ
አዲዮስ አሚጎስ